Hey gorgeous, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new in my channel, I'd like to welcome you guys. Welcome to Glam by G76, and I hope you subscribe please. So in today's video, I am doing a first impression and review of the new Maybelline Superstay 24-hour full coverage foundation. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna show it to you guys. They have 16 super saturated shades. It has flawless finish and doesn't fade or shift all day. It's lightweight, it's oil-free and dermatologist tested. It doesn't clog pores, and it comes with a pump. So guys, I'm gonna show you. So this is the pump. So I like the foundation with the pump because it's so easy to use and it's not messy. And the shade that I picked up is number 220 Natural Beige. If you are unsure between two shades, you have to choose the lighter shade. I don't wear my foundation for 24 hours, maybe around 15 hours, but not 24. So I will put everything in the description box below. What I feel about this foundation after 4 hours, 8 hours, or 12 hours. So if you want to see my first impression and review about the Maybelline Superstay 24-hour full coverage foundation, please keep watching. So now we're going to start using the foundation. I have already filled in my eyebrows and put a little eyeshadow on my eyes. I will put the link of how I do my brows in my description down below. So we'll start with putting on the primer on my face. I am using Benefit Professional. So I always prime my face before putting on the foundation because I feel like the foundation lasts longer. Now we're gonna try the Maybelline Superstay foundation. And I will be using my beauty blender to apply this foundation. So I'll probably use I don't know, 2 pumps. So this is brand new, so I have to pump it there. 1, 2. The consistency is very, very thick. So I'm gonna try one side first. It blends so nice, you guys. I don't know if you can see. I can show you totally the difference between one side and then the other side. It is so easy to blend, but if you can see the difference, guys, so this right side of my face, I have the foundation on, and then this is, I don't have the foundation, and it covers my pores, and I have blemishes. I don't have to put any concealer in the blemishes. And this side is my bare face. I don't have anything. And you can tell the difference of how nice the coverage of this foundation is. So now we're going to be finishing the other side of my face. I have a blemish here and here. And I want to know if it will cover the blemish. And I think 2 pumps is just right, guys. So okay you guys, so I have done putting on the foundation, and first impression, let me tell you guys, number 1, I thought initially the color was too light for me, but I was looking at the mirror and I'm looking close up. I think it's just right. 220 Natural Beige is just right for us Asians. It covers the blemishes that I have initially. As you can see, I have like scars on my forehead and my cheek, and it's gone. I didn't put any concealer or anything. I even put it under my eye. It didn't settle in my fine lines. And so far, when you look at it up close, like my pores, they're gone. Like it doesn't sit on top of my pores. It actually covered the pores. I just really hope that it will stay the same after a few hours. But for the initial application, my first impression, I am loving it. I think this is really a good foundation. I have never tried a Maybelline foundation before, and I'm really impressed with this one. So I'm really glad I have it. So I'm gonna finish the whole makeup and I will be right back, you guys. So I'm back, you guys. I have done putting on the setting powder. I did a little contour and blush, and I applied lipstick and highlights on the inner corner of my eyes. When I was trying to put on my blush and my contour, the foundation didn't move at all. It has a matte finish. They say it has smell. I didn't notice it at all. The smell, for me, I didn't really smell anything at all. It didn't oxidize on my face. I think it depends on the skin type. I have a combination of oily and dry skin. My T-zone is very oily, and then my cheeks are dry. So the foundation, it didn't oxidize at all. If you look at it in person, like when you apply it and when you look at it in the mirror in person, it looks like you have airbrushed on. It's so flawless, and I will put all my observation and my opinion in the description down below. And so far, the initial or the first impression, I am really loving it. I got this at Ulta for $11.99. I know they have this in Walmart as well. I really hope you guys should try it, and I hope you have this in the Philippines, or I hope it's also available in the Philippines, because I'm pretty sure when you try it, and it's a drugstore makeup, it's such a must try, you guys. So that's about it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I hope you like this video, and I hope to see you guys again in my next video. Bye!